Hey, how's it going, Sharon? Here's some features I just want you to harp on in the documentation. This is Timesheet Ninja. The ability to create timesheets is pretty well documented, but there are some other things like the time off card. So there is a time off card that actually allows you to pick, whether you're going to spend time off. I want to make sure that that's properly documented. So please include that if it's not in there. There's also a global entry module. So what you'll see is when you go to um, create timesheet global entry, you'll see the ability to log time against any different modules. So you'll see I can, pick a project task and say, hey, or actually pick a project and let's just say, we'll just pick one right here. And I'll pick a project and I can log time against that, right? Put a description here and put how many hours I spent time on that task, and I could choose save and create new entry. And the benefit of that is that it saves that into the timesheet, then allows you to now create time and log time against another project or task. And so that's a feature I definitely want to make sure is clear in the documentation. The other one I think I want you to highlight is timesheet visual reports. You'll see in each of these reports, there's some really good visual reports on how to manage time by employee. So you'll see this is time by employee, time on projects. I would like you to actually take screenshots of each of these reports and put them in the documentation. I think that's going to be important and very important to our listing. So take the time to kind of include that in your documentation, both in the manual as well as the listing online. And these are the key features I wanted to include. Thank you.